Descriptive statistical analysis is the first and most important step in understanding our dataset. It helps us summarize and describe the main features of the data, such as its central tendency and variability. By using measures like the mean, median, and standard deviation, we can identify key patterns and differences within the dataset. In Excel, descriptive statistics can be performed quickly and accurately using built-in functions or the data analysis toolpack. When analyzing data, we often look at two key aspects: central trend and dispersion. The mean, or average, gives us a sense of the overall level of the data. The median shows the middle value, which is less affected by extreme values, while the mode tells us which value occurs most frequently. To understand how spread out the data is, we look at dispersion measures. The range is simply the difference between the maximum and minimum values. The variance and standard deviation show how much the data varies from the mean. Together, these indicators give a complete picture of the dataset structure. Let's look at some typical questions that descriptive statistics can help us answer. For example, how many males and females are in the dataset? What is the average age of the participants? In cases where we need to calculate multiple statistical indicators, using individual functions would take a lot of time. Therefore, we can use the data analysis tool in Excel. Another way to perform descriptive statistical analysis in Excel is by using the data analysis toolpack. To enable it, go to File, choose Options, then Add-ins. Select Analysis Toolpack and activate it. Once enabled, you can find it in the Data tab. With Descriptive Statistics tool, you can automatically generate a summary table containing the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and other key measures, all calculated at once. This is especially useful for larger datasets where manual calculation would take too much time. To perform aggregation, we usually follow 3 steps. First, we categorize the data by certain criteria, such as gender, department, or year level, to make comparisons easier. Second, we use functions like sum, count, and average to calculate the total, number, or mean value within each group. Finally, we create summary reports, often in the form of tables or charts, so that results are easy to read and interpret. Aggregated data provides a solid foundation for making informed decisions or performing further analysis. Excel also provides a powerful tool called Consolidate, which helps us combine and summarize data from multiple sheets or ranges. To use it, go to the Data tab and choose Consolidate. Then, select the data range you want to combine, including the headers, and choose a function such as sum or average. Excel will automatically merge the data and calculate the summary results. This feature is particularly useful when working with data collected from different departments or time periods. We can use the subtotal function to calculate summaries for group data. First, make sure your dataset is sorted by the category you want to summarize, for example, by department. Then, go to the Data tab and click on Subtotal. Choose the field to summarize, select a function such as sum or average, and the columns to include. When you click OK, Excel automatically inserts subtotal rows and provides an expandable outline view. This makes it easy to see both individual details and group summaries within the same table.